welcome back. So today I'm showing you a nice dark smoky eye. As you can see, yes, I have some random bruising on my eyelids, so I really wanted to play, but I needed something that was going to cover that up, so I thought, yes, let's do dark and stormy, but with a pop of colour. So I'm using the Auburn Brow style powder here. I've showed you this in full on how quick and easy I use this product, so I haven't fasted this time, and it's exactly my routine and how I do it. So I am just adding to my shape, not changing it too dramatically, filling in the gaps, keeping it very natural and just a bit more styled. So I'm using this double-ended brush, brushing it back and forth to get the hairs in place, and yeah, just following my natural shape. I've really got to get a new camera that's not going to get in and out of focus. It's driving me bonkers. So I am using all MD Natural products again today, just to show you that you can do some really beautiful dramatic eye looks using natural products. And MD Naturals, of course, is my absolute favourite range to use. I've been working with these guys for so long, and I just love their ingredients, and I'll keep on using. So that is my eyebrow routine full done, and that is all I have done. Just showing you the difference there. Now I'm using Creamy Natural. This is their powder foundation. I am using this as my my base. So I usually go in with foundations and creamy, and you can kind of see I've got a bit of dryness in that inner corner of my eye, but because it was such a nice big smoky look, it didn't quite matter. You're wanting to create a base for your eyeshadow so the colour can pop and a more even surface. So I'm going in with the Smoky Onyx. This has got, all of these shades actually do have a slight bit of shimmer in them. And I always work out of the lid, pressing the product into the brush and tapping it off. Now I'm applying this dark eyeshadow first, and we're going to start light and then add. You'll see soon what my techniques. So I am just doing my lid. I am going ever so slightly up over my lid because I do have hooded eyes. They're getting a little bit more hooded as I'm aging, but let's just pretend that doesn't happen. So now I'm taking a fluffy brush, just a clean brush with no products on it, and I am going to blend the edges so it's not so harsh. And a little bit of it does fall off when you do that, so then you go in with more product. The key to any sort of dark smoky is you start light and then you add more. You can see the shimmer heaps in this one. Woo. So I just added a bit more product, and again I'm blending the edges out. You always sort of add and stop and blend. And I'm adding another colour into this crease shade, so I'm not needing it so dark, but I just wanted to sort of get it to exactly how I wanted it. Now this is a nice beautiful purple shade, again with some shimmer in there. And I am just working that right on top of the smoky colour there in my natural crease. Just going in the same shape as my eye, not creating any crazy outlines, and just blending the two colours together. So this adds a little bit, a pop of colour in there, but still dark and stormy. So yeah, as you can see, I'm adding another little bit more of that really darker shade now, and I'm using the brush I just used with the purple shade, going back and forth until I'm happy with the colour. Now to tie these colours in, I'm going in with this nice sort of nude bronze shade. This is the transition color, so this is, most of the time this is where you start, but I sort of wanted to show you on a different layering method, so going from dark to light. Because I wanted to go really, really dark, if I was to go the opposite way, I just felt like it was going to get really messy really quick. And that's as easy, 3 shades, and that is all I did. Curled lashes and popping on some mascara. So you can create any smoky eye with 3 shades and a highlighter shade with this exact same technique. So I'm using the highlighter shade from the Rose Glow. So this is a slightly more pinker tinge because I'm adding a pop of pink soon. And I've just popped that on the highest part of my eye arch there. I just wanted to show you because you can see my bruising how it was, I wanted to show you the difference of what base can do to your eyeshadows. Now we're going to smoke the bottom lashes up even more and smoky. And it does look intense, but don't worry, I will blend it out. That's me going, huh? So now this is the purple shade. So we've gone in the same layer colors as the eyes, lids on top, blending them together. Now this is their new lip and cheek tint, and I'm showing you what you can do to add a pop of color into the inner corner. So I am going to highlight it, but I just wanted something a little bit different. So I do use a lot of blues in that inner corner just to add a pop. Dark and stormy with a pop of color. And just to emphasize and highlight, we're going over with that rose shade as well, just to add a little bit, not to be as pink. Bottom mascara, top mascara again. And that is the finished eye look. And I'm just showing you I've used this beautiful lip and cheek stain on my cheeks, my eyes and my lips, so a few 3-in-1s. So this was a really quick and easy smoky eye. It would be beautiful for any evening events. And here is the finished look with my hair out. I was going to style it, but that's okay. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this quick eye tutorial.